In this screencast, I cover probability. A probability is a number between 0 and 1 that indicates the likelihood that a particular outcome will occur. Let's first talk about frequency. If we know the history of outcomes for an event, we can use the frequency with which a particular outcome occurred as an estimate for the probability that that event will occur again. So you can see I've provided an example here. Let lowercase n equal the number of times a particular outcome occurs. Uppercase n equal the total number of times an event takes place. When you divide lowercase n by uppercase n, which I've denoted as theta, you get this, you can get an estimate for that probability. So if lowercase n is 15 and uppercase n is 1000, then theta, the probability, is 1.5%. Often we don't have a history that allows us to calculate the frequency. So in that case, we might rely on what's called a subjective probability, which is ultimately a best estimate regarding the likelihood that an event occurs. So in this case, we may use all available information, not necessarily a scientific inquiry. So you could rely on what people have told you or other factors. A probability distribution relates the probability of occurrence to each possible outcome. So when the outcomes are mutually exclusive and exhaustive, one outcome will occur with certainty. This last situation is one that we'll be looking at quite often. We'll know that one of the outcomes will occur with certainty.